here with another video. So I'm going to show you this. You can do with your phone if you like recording videos. Go away. It's bad lighting, horrible lighting. If I had a different light, I'll be right back for a second. I'll just be right back. Hopefully that did something for you guys. So I'm going to show you this thing you can do here with your phone that you can record videos. First thing you're going to need is one of these. It's screwed in. You can get them with a tripod sometimes if they have the screw thing. Second thing, so it opens up, you can put your phone in there. And then you just get a tripod. Get it right here. And then you just screw it on. And I'll show you what I'm using for right now, so my videos aren't as good. So this is what I'm using so far. Well, I've been using. It's just like the same thing, but it's small. Here, I'll show you. So that's what you basically do. That's the one I'm gonna use. But the one I'm gonna start using now is this one. So watch. Look at the difference. Bang. That's me and this. That's me and this one. So there's a size difference. So here. I'm going to start using this one for banger videos. Here, this is what it looks like. I'll show you. This is what it looks like, guys. Oh my God, there's two. This is what it looks like. It was a little shaky, so I'm going to fix that. Fix that soon. It's a little shaky though. And if I had the small one, you guys would probably be down here looking at my chest. So this is what I'm going to start using for banger videos. Hope you guys like this video. I'm doing my outro here. I'm doing it right here. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Like, subscribe, comment below what you think. And if you want to get this stuff, you can buy like the tripod for like 20 bucks at Best Buy. You can buy like this thing from Tripod. You can order it online or go to the store and look for one, like Best Buy. And so this is what I'm going to start using for videos now. Hope you guys like this video. Like, subscribe, click that bell notifications. All my Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and Snapchat are going to be right there. Lola's channel is going to be right there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, click that bell notifications. Comment what you think about this. And if you guys are going to start making videos, and if you don't have a channel, create one. So you can subscribe to this, to me. And go check out my second channel. It'll be right there. Vernon Morales 2. I only have 3 videos posted. I have a gaming video, TV video, and about my channel. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys in the next banger. See you guys in the next video.